Here we go. This is how the big boys do it. There it goes. Crazy. Okay, went above the house.
It's right there. It's right
Somewhere up there flying. I can't even see it with my phone.
Dude,
Oh my god, we lost the plane!
Oh my god.
It's,
Oh my god.
it's going, it's gone! Now last time Harry did that, it ended up on somebody's roof by the shop.
look.
Oh, it's gliding now. Woohoo!
You can see it.
That's so cool. Yeah, that sun is bright though.
You're better off bringing it this way though. Uphill.
Yeah, you're gonna tell the pro how to do it?
No, uphill in the landing.
I feel like I'm in Libya. This time I'm around.
Look at the distance on this thing now.
Now this is how the pros do it.
Oh, I'm sick. Nobody would do this, Paloma. I just want you to know.
You did.
I'm special.
Gliding, gliding through the air.
My friend.
I wish my phone was a 4 series in high definition.
Look at that shit.
Hey, when I bring it
Okay, I
back,
gotta